I'm in Queens. I'm like in a halal store. I don't even know. Sorry, I apologize if it's not called a halal store. But anyway, oh, you know what? It's called Swad in Queens, New York. Swad. Anyway, I'm gonna try whatever this is. I think it's apple with lime. And this one might be a, oh yeah, look at that. Product of the Coca-Cola Company. Contains caffeine. Thumbs up. Here we go. Actually, let's do a tour. I was gonna try one of those like yogurt drinks. Looks really good, but I don't know. Okay. See some naan or pita bread. Flat bread. Pretty cool. What are those pupusas? Paratha. Interesting. Yes, I know it's not pupusas. I know it's not pupusas, okay? That's interesting. On the fridge section, I also saw the white sauce you can put on your falafel. I've had that before. It was like spinach curry. That's pretty good. Oh, I've had that before. Interesting. Yeah. Oh, you know what I'm looking for? Looking for sriracha. Why would it be here? I don't know. Greens in a bag. Whoa, is that a bucket of mayonnaise? Pure cow. Butter. Butter me up, baby. Let's see, coffee. Oh, I see hot sauce right here. Soap. Hot sauce. Ketchup. Tabasco. Let's see, soy sauce. Hot sauce. Man, out of luck. There's a shortage of, if you guys didn't know, there's a shortage supply of sriracha. Carrying on. Rice. Grains, that's cool. They have Asian products like ramen. So I'm pretty sure they used to carry sriracha at one point. That's cool. It's a little mini mart. Actually, this is the biggest one I've seen in New York. Usually they're like the size of 7-Elevens. Chips. See? Oh, and no, that's not it. But it reminds me of, in Brazil, they would put chips like that in the burger. Ooh. All that spicy stuff that Mexicans love. Indian pleasures. Nice. Mexican pleasures too. Alright. That's it. Let me check out. I'm gonna go fly out of here. Those churros. Crunchy. first? We try this one. You said it was apple, right? Oh shit. Holy fuck. Tastes like curry drink. Spices, ready to serve fruit-based drink. It's not apple. It tastes like cinnamon. Oh, that's what it is. Not cinnamon, but it's that it's a bowl of, it tastes like tea, but it's soda. Never again. Please be good. Is it thumbs up? I mean, it has caffeine made by the Coca-Cola company. It smells like Pepsi. Yes. Smells like Pepsi, tastes like Pepsi. Q49. Enough of that. Alright.